Is your outdated camping equipment falling short of expectations? We completely understand that frustration. The market now offers revolutionary products that are transforming the entire outdoor experience. In our latest video, we've curated a collection of 7 cutting-edge camping tools and gadgets that will enhance your adventures. Now, let's dive into the recommendations. The Tent Fox Classic 2.0 offers a safe space for car campers. This rooftop tent sets up in no time. Just undo the buckles and the gas struts handle the rest. It's compact enough to stay within your vehicle's footprint, even when fully opened, making it perfect for tight spots. The interior feels cozy with a double bed-sized foam mattress ready to go the moment the tent pops open. You'll love the big windows and doors for catching a breeze or taking in the view, while fly mesh keeps the bugs at bay. The added touches like interior storage pockets, a roof net, and a rechargeable LED light bar that doubles as a flashlight and phone charger make it all the more inviting. Built tough with ripstop fabric, waterproof seams, and a wind rating of 39 miles per hour, it's ready for any weather. Plus, you can trick it out with accessories like a memory foam topper or boot bag. The Camp Chef Pro 14 Camp Stove is recently being talked about in the camping community, and here's why it's become so popular among camping enthusiasts. First up is its modularity. This stove lets you swap out accessories like a griddle, barbecue box, or pizza oven, so you can cook everything from breakfast to pizza while camping. It even functions as a standard cooktop for your cast iron pans. Next, let's talk power. With 2 robust 30,000 BTU burners, it's enough for most recipes. This also means you can achieve precise heat control for everything from low simmers to high sear cooking. Finally, portability is a huge plus. The Pro 14 features a compact design with foldable legs and shelves, making it super easy to transport and set up wherever, be it tailgating, RVing, or car camping. With this stove, you can enjoy a full kitchen experience in the great outdoors. Something like the Ninja Frost Vault Hard Cooler can make camping a lot more fun. With its 50Q capacity, it easily holds up to 80 cans, making it perfect for extended trips or outdoor gatherings. What sets it apart is the Frost Vault Dry Zone, a nifty feature that keeps food cool, dry, and safely under 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideal for snacks. Then the integrated dry storage drawer is like having a mini fridge tucked inside, keeping certain items separate and at fridge-like temperatures. Built tough with up to 3 in of insulation. It's leak-proof, weather-resistant, and even bear-resistant when secured with padlocks. Heavy-duty handles and a premium latch make transport and access easy. It's on the expensive side, but a good investment overall. When it comes to outdoor lighting, the DVS Light Ranger takes things to new heights, literally. This telescoping LED lantern extends up to 9 feet, casting a bright glow over a 60-foot diameter, making it perfect for lighting up a campsite or backyard party. Its long-lasting battery can provide up to 80 hours of illumination, so you won't be left in the dark. Compact and durable, it's built to handle the outdoors and is easy to transport. The adjustable height lets you tailor the light to your needs, whether you're setting the mood or keeping the whole area well lit. Plus, it's rechargeable, so you can skip the disposable batteries and stay eco-friendly. Whether you're hosting friends, pitching a tent, or just need reliable lighting for the great outdoors, the Light Ranger has you covered. The Flexale tiny speaker might seem small, but it can be the loudest thing you carry. With a compact 1.57 in diameter and weighing just 6.42 ounces, this mini is perfect for backpacking, too, thanks to its durable D-shaped buckle and polyester strap. Moreover, this little speaker delivers impressive 360 degrees surround sound, loud and clear enough to elevate any campsite vibe. Its Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity ensures a smooth connection up to 33 feet, so you can keep your phone tucked away. Then, the 700 mAh battery gives you 5 hours at max volume, or an astounding 33 hours if you're keeping it low-key. Lastly, with a seamless steel top, one-handed controls, and a rugged outdoor-ready design, this speaker is as stylish as it is functional. If you're gearing up for your next camping adventure, you need to check out the Zero Breeze Mark II portable air conditioner. Weighing in at just 16.5 pounds, this compact device has a 2,300 BTU cooling capacity, dropping temperatures by up to 30 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes. That makes it possible to stay in your tent without steaming in the summer heat. The best part, it's battery-powered and can run for 3 to 5 hours on a single charge. Plus, it's compatible with solar and car charging. So whether you're camping or just want to escape the heat, this AC can help. Moreover, with its compact design and dual hose system, it's super efficient and quiet too. Just grab it with one hand and go. Lastly, it can be used indoors too. So, it doesn't have to be an AC you just use for those once in a blue moon camping trips. The Alere self-inflating sleeping pad makes sure you sleep comfortably in camp. With 3.1 in of high-density 26 denier high-tech memory foam, this pad takes comfort to the next level, distributing weight evenly and relieving pressure for a restful sleep. It inflates itself in just 20 seconds. Perfect for those who want more relaxation and less hassle. Measuring a roomy 77 in x 27 in when inflated and supporting up to 800 pounds, it's built to accommodate campers of all sizes. Then the 50 denier stretch knit fabric ensures durability, resisting tears and wear from use. Featuring a dual valve system, inflating and deflating is practically effortless, while its value of 9.5 makes it reliable for all-season insulation. If you're tired of thin, uncomfortable pads, this one brings home-like comfort to the outdoors. So, that was our list of 7 next-level camping gear and gadgets you'll appreciate.
Thanks for watching our video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends if you found our video helpful. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this.